Choose the right wax. Hard wax is the best option for sensitive areas. It adheres only to hair, not skin, minimizing irritation. Exfoliate gently. Exfoliate 24–48 hours before waxing to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. A sugar scrub or exfoliating mitt works well. Trim hair to ideal length. Hair should be about 1/4 inch long for the wax to grip it effectively, but not too long to cause extra pain. Cleanse the area. Use a mild antibacterial soap to remove oils, sweat, and lotions from the skin, as any residue can interfere with the waxing process. Dry skin completely. Moist skin prevents wax from adhering properly. Pat the area dry with a towel and dust lightly with cornstarch to absorb any moisture. Waxing equipment and product hacks. Invest in a wax warmer. A wax warmer helps maintain a consistent temperature, reducing the risk of burning your skin. Use natural sugar wax. Mix 2 cups sugar, 1/4 cup lemon juice, and 1/4 cup water to create an all-natural sugar wax that's gentle on the skin. Opt for soft cotton strips. Reusable cotton strips are eco-friendly and soft on sensitive areas, making them ideal for waxing delicate spots. Test wax temperature. Before applying, always test a small amount of wax on the inside of your wrist to ensure it's warm, not hot, to avoid burns. Application techniques for sensitive areas. Apply wax in small sections. Small sections are easier to control, allowing you to apply the wax evenly and precisely. Follow hair growth direction. Spread the wax in the same direction the hair grows to achieve the best results and minimize pain. Stretch the skin. When applying the wax, stretch the skin to keep it taut. This reduces discomfort and helps the wax grip hair better. Use a thin layer. Apply a thin, even layer of wax. Too much wax can be harder to remove and cause unnecessary pain. Pain reduction during removal. Pull the strip quickly. After applying the wax, remove the strip in a quick, decisive motion against the direction of hair growth to minimize pain. Hold skin taut. While pulling the strip, use your free hand to hold the skin taut, reducing the likelihood of bruising and improving the efficiency of hair removal. Don't reapply to the same area. Avoid reapplying wax over the same spot in one session, as it can cause skin irritation and pain. Apply ice after waxing. For instant relief, apply an ice pack to the waxed area for 5–10 minutes to numb the area and reduce redness. Pain management hacks. Numbing cream. Apply a numbing cream or gel 30 minutes before waxing to reduce pain, especially for highly sensitive areas. Deep breathing. Practice deep breathing or mindfulness to stay relaxed and minimize the sensation of pain during the waxing process. Take an over-the-counter pain reliever. If you're concerned about pain, take an over-the-counter anti-inflammatory, such as ibuprofen, 30 minutes before waxing. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.